Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am going to share best face pack for dry, dull and dark skin. Friends, if you are dealing with dry and dull skin problem, this mask will really work for you. It improves your complexion, make your skin smooth and supple, prevent wrinkles and fine lines. To make this mask, you will need tomato pulp, yogurt, rose water and few drops of glycerin. Method to prepare: mix all the ingredients well. Apply on your face for 15 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Use every alternate day for quick results. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.